So Jill and I have come out for a bit of a drive this afternoon. Got an ice cream, rum and raisin. Lovely. And there's the ice cream shop there. And we're at Ellesmere Lake. We've just been into Ellesmere itself. Lovely town, absolutely gorgeous. Well, what do you think of the lake? Absolutely gorgeous, really lovely. Got all the birds here, people enjoying their ice cream out on the lake. You can hire rowing boats here. There's some way over there and some just behind those trees and bushes there. I can't see very well, but it looks like a pub over there, more than likely. And I'm just going to finish my ice cream because it's melting. It's lovely and warm today, and I'll do a bit more filming of the lake here in a moment. So guys, I guess this was a pub round here, but it isn't. But not bad. It's welcome to the Ellesmere boathouse here. Coffee shop, breakfast, lunch and dinner. And just there you can hire the boats to go on the mere. But look at the young swans there. One, two, three, four, five young swans there. Isn't that lovely? I wonder if that's mummy and daddy. No idea. Anyway, there's the boathouse restaurant cafe, and as you can see, gorgeous day today. Absolutely gorgeous day. So I'm glad we came over. We've not been over to here for years, and we thought it was about time. We've been talking about it for weeks now. And we parked on the main road, and there is disabled parking for those of you who need that. There's a number of boats out there. And there's a pedalo there as well, I've noticed. I think it's £12 for half an hour and £18 for an hour, if I remember rightly, which is great. And gives you loads of time to go out on the mere. As you can see how gorgeous it is. And it's so clear as well. So we'll go up here now and the card is the balance that I've got. Get a better look at the swans just round the corner. Such a gorgeous day today. It is just so warm. I don't know what the temperature is. Well, that sun's gorgeous. Over here in the UK, it's been quite cool and rainy. I wouldn't say cold, but cool and very rainy and stormy at times. And yet in the rest of Europe, they've had a heat wave. I'll just say hello to the swans. And the wasps. I don't know whether you could see that then. Tried to land on my hand. We've got ducks down there as well, swans, mallards. can see a mummy mallard down there, and a knitted item, a knitted owl. Lovely look at the the swans there, and a good view of the mere through the trees. There's a lot of ducks here, absolutely loads of ducks and flies. Just walk through it, a load of flies there. There's loads of seed down for them as well, if you wonder what they're all eating. Loads of pigeons. We've got a pigeon, a couple of pigeons nesting in our backyard at the moment. So we've got a little tree, and yeah, there's a pigeon sitting on a nest, on her eggs. So all about the mere, the walks, and so on. And we're here, as you can see, with the red marker. And before we were over here, and we parked up on Scotland Street around here somewhere. If you ever come to Ellesmere, it's a lovely place, and there's some really nice cafes to go to and pubs. George the Goose. I wonder who George the Goose was. That was put there 2022, last year. We've got the well-known owl telescope there, 20p. There is a green algae or something in the mere apparently, and yeah, I think I can see it. I don't know whether it's good or bad. I'm literally looking for fish, to be honest, but you can see all the birds here. They're really enjoying themselves. And it looks as though there's a parkway over there, right over on the other side. I did actually see something before, and I don't know whether it was a fish or not now. I think it might have been a leaf. Maybe I was just seeing things. There is a lot of green algae actually. Other than that, if it wasn't for the algae, it'd be pretty clear down there. And a load more ducks further on down. So as I say, we've been talking about coming here for a few weeks now, and finally we got a really good day ahead of us. So we thought, right, let's go for a few hours. And straight ahead of us is where you can get your ice cream as well. It's really nice ice cream that. I had the rum and raisin. They like hanging around George the Goose there. There you go. They're lovely little birds, kind of like white and grey. I was going to call them seagulls. They are probably a type of gull. I do apologise to all of you who know your birds, and they're saying that's not a gull at all, but to me it looks like one. Really nice. So I'm going to walk back to Jill now. So I hope you like this little video that I put together for you. I brought my camera just in case, because we didn't know. There's supposed to be thunder a bit later on, but at the moment there's no sign of it, so I thought, right, that's it. I was going to do a kind of a walking tour of Ellesmere itself, but maybe I'll do that again. I just wasn't in the mood, to be honest. It was just so warm and the sun was so high. I thought, nah, I'm not up to it, and I didn't know whether the glare would be too much for the camera, so I thought to give it a miss. Anyway guys, I'm going to get going now, with Ellesmere just behind me, the mere itself, and I will catch you again soon. So please like and subscribe. Catch you again in the next one. Bye guys.